Umengameli we-EFF uJulius uthi babizile isithangami nabezindaba ngoba befuna ukucacisa ezinye izinto ngaphambi kokukhulela ngoqo wesiteleka esizobanjwa ngomsombuluko.
This is a national shutdown that is calling on the resignation of the president and the demand of the end to load shedding and bring to light the issues that affect young people, in particular issues of unemployment, issues of access to higher education, issues of water and electricity in our communities, the potholes that exist everywhere else in our communities, the high levels of crime and GBV, and the high levels of corruption.
Uthi baxoxisana nezinhlaka ezahlukene ukuzixwayisa ngesiteleka ngoba bafuna ukuthi kube nokuzidapela izitolo.
We know you use this facility on a daily basis, but please be aware that this facility will be occupied by a protest on the 20th of March. We did the same thing with the malls and the shops and business precisely because we want to avoid looting. We don't want looting on the 20th of March. But you know that if shops are opened, people take advantage of those shops and engage in illegal activities.
Umalema uthi akulona-ke iqiniso ukuthi iqembu ithhi lizama ukuvikela umnotho wezwe.
John was doing yesterday was just a PR to demonstrate to his funders that he's doing something in defense of Ramaphosa. But in reality, he knows that he can't stop the EFF.
Kube wathi leli qembu kufanele lisukumele intsha yakuleli.
And I can tell you with ease, let any boy come and try to stop me. You'll meet his maker. When he leaves in the morning, he must kiss his mother goodbye.
Uthi akekho ke umuntu ozovimba iqembu lakhe.
Where must these unemployed people go? Since you are able to brag about your job on social media. Not even a little sympathy about these unemployed young people of South Africa and the poverty-stricken South Africans who live in terrible economic conditions.
Ubonge kakhulu ke amanye amaqembu azoba ingxenye lesiteleka kubalwe iqembu i-ATM, i-SAF2 kanye nezinhlangano ezingenzi inzuzo.